CBSE class 10 exercise 6.5 question number 15. This question has come from CBSE in the year 2018 and 14. So the question is, in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on the side BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. First, you have to draw a equilateral triangle. Let us draw an equilateral triangle. Suppose this is your equilateral triangle. Suppose ABCD is an equilateral triangle whose all sides are equal. If it is A, this is A, this is also A. So take a point on BC. D is a point on BC. Here is your BC. This is your BC. Take a point on BC. Suppose this is your BC. This is your point D. So let us join AD. Okay. So you have to prove 9AD square. 9AD square. This is your D. 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. So let us prove it. Proof. Construction. Constant. Let us draw a perpendicular to BC. Suppose this is your M. All sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Since it is an equilateral triangle, let us draw an perpendicular AM which is perpendicular to BC. So let us prove it. So you have to prove AD square. Where is AD? This is your AD. This is your right angle triangle. Right angle at this point M. So in case of a right angle triangle, in triangle ADM, which is a right angle triangle, so applying Pythagoras theorem for right angle triangle, AD square is equal to, because here is AD, 9AD square, so you have to first find out what is AD. AD square is equal to AM square plus DM square. Okay. So here right hand side is AB. So AB in here AD is here, left hand side AD, but right hand side there is no AB. So you have to replace AM square, DM square with AB square. Replace it by AB square. How you will do it? Suppose this is equation 1. So from right angle triangles ABM, for right angle triangle ABM, applying Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AB square is equal to AM square AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. Okay. So AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. AM square we have to, or AM square is equal to AB square minus BM square. So replace AM square here. Replace it AM square in equation 1. Therefore AD square is equal to AM square is equal to AB square minus BM square plus BM square. Only replace AM square. AM square is equal to AB whole square minus BM whole square. AM square is equal to AB, AM square plus BM square. Okay, so replace AM square by AB square is equal to AB square is equal to what? AB square is equal to A square minus BM square. BM square is equal to A by 2 whole square. Since it is the perpendicular drawn from BC, from A point, AM is the perpendicular to BC, therefore true triangle ABM and congruent triangle AMC, triangle AMC, ABM congruent AMC, because this side is equal to this side, this is your this angle is equal to this angle is equal to 90, this 90, this 90, okay, and this angle is equal to this angle, because equilateral triangle all angle are 60 degree, therefore two triangles are congruent. Since two triangles are congruent, therefore we can tell that BM is equal to MC. Again BC is equal to half of BM, so BC is equal to A, this side is equal to A, this side is equal to this, and this is A, all equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, therefore we can tell BM is equal to A by 2 plus DM square, this is the DM square. Now find out the value of DM. DM is equal to BM is equal to BM minus BD, BM minus BD, BM minus BD is equal to DM. Here DM is equal to what? DM is equal to what? BM minus BD, okay. So BM is equal to A by 2, BM is equal to A by 2, and BD is given here, BD is equal to half of 1/3, BD is equal to 1/3 BC, 1/3 BC, BD is equal to 1/3 BC is equal to A by 2 minus 1/3, A by 2 minus 1/3 A, since BC is equal to A, okay, is equal to 6, 3 minus 2A is equal to A by 6. A by 6, the value of DM is equal to A by 6. So here put the value of DM is equal to A by 6 whole square. That is here this is equal to this is there. After that we will solve it. A square minus A square by 4 whole square means 4 plus A square by 36 is equal to 36 LCM. Here 36 A square minus 36 A square minus 9 A square plus A square is equal to minus 8, 36 minus 8 is equal to 28 A square by 36. So 7, this here 9, 7 is equal to 7 A square by 9. So the value of AD square is equal to 7 A square by 9. 7 A square means 7, we can write A is equal to this, AB is equal to A, BC is equal to A, and AC is equal to A. So put the value of A here. A is equal to, suppose we take AB, AB by 9 or AB square by 9. So or 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Proved. So very important questions. So first we draw a equilateral triangle ABC. The side of the equilateral triangle, suppose AAA, then draw a perpendicular AM to BC. Okay. Now since here is AD 9 AD, so take the triangle ADM. So AD square, we know according to Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AM square plus DM square. Now replace AM and DM because in the right hand side there is AB square. So how will replace it? So AM, this is your AM. So you will replace AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. Okay. So replace AM square is equal to AB square minus BM. So replace it AB here, AM square is equal to AB square minus BM square plus DM square. Then BM will be replaced by BM, this value will be replaced by BM minus BD. Okay. BM minus BD. BM is equal to A by 2 and DB is equal to BD or DB is equal to 1/3 of BC. Then value of BC is equal to A. Put the value of A here. A by 2 minus A by 3 is equal to A by 6. Okay. Then put the value of A by 6 here. Okay. In place of DM square. Then you will get A square minus A square by 4 plus A square by 36 is equal to LCM 36 A square minus 9 A square plus A square is equal to 36 minus 9 plus minus 9 A square plus A square is equal to 28 A square. Cancel out 9 is equal to 7 by 9 A square, 7 by 9 A square. So here the value of AD square is equal to, here AD square is equal to 7 A square by 9. AD square is equal to 7 by A square by 9. A is equal to what? AB square. That is A square is equal to AB square is equal to then 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Very important. Next question.